To fix YouTube TV shows not showing up in your library, start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A slow or unreliable internet connection can cause issues with loading content, so restart your router if necessary. Next, verify that you are signed in to the correct YouTube TV account, as this can affect access to your library. Check the top right corner of the screen to confirm you are using the correct account. If not, sign out and sign back in with the correct credentials. Another step is to check for any available updates for the YouTube TV app, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Go to your device's App Store, search for YouTube TV, and install any available updates. Clearing the app's cache and data can also help resolve the issue. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps, and select YouTube TV. Choose Clear Cache and Clear Data, then restart the app. On iOS devices, go to Settings, then General, and select iPhone Storage. Find YouTube TV and select Offload App, then reinstall the app. If the issue persists, try restarting your device, as this can sometimes resolve connectivity and software issues. Also, check the YouTube TV website to see if there are any known outages or maintenance in your area that may be affecting your access to the library. Finally, check your DVR settings to ensure that the shows you are trying to access are set to be recorded and saved to your library. Go to the YouTube TV app, select the show you want to record, and choose the record option. This will ensure that new episodes are added to your library as they become available. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly resolve the issue and access your YouTube TV shows in your library. Remember to always check for updates and maintain a stable internet connection to avoid similar issues in the future.